Well, the UN Human Rights Commissioner is absolutely correct. The U.S. Murder and assassination of Qassem Soleimani is a violation of not only international law and the UN Charter, which the U.S. was a founding signatory, but also it's a violation of U.S. law, specifically 18 United States Code 1116, which outlaws the murder or manslaughter of foreign officials or internationally protected persons. However, the United States has always skirted its own laws, its own international laws, international covenants by engaging in creative language. The United States has skirted and violated the Geneva Convention in wartime by redesignated prisoners of war as disarmed enemy combatants. That allowed or labeling disarmed soldiers as terrorists and then sending them to concentration camps such as Guantanamo, or in the case of General Soleimani and the Revolutionary Quds Force, labeling them, designating them artificially and fraudulently as terrorists, which enable them to engage in illegal assassinations across the globe. And of course, they follow the Zionist regime in Israel's lead on this. Israel has been doing this since their illegal founding in 1948, trotting around the globe, assassinating officials, not only in the Middle East, but in the Americas and throughout Europe. So this is a plague that the United States and Israel and Saudi Arabia have done by flaunting international law, their own laws, and will probably continue to do so by engaging in creative language and redesignation of terms. Yes, I think the UN, a main body, will condemn this, and they should condemn this. However, the way that the UN was originally set up, there are vetoes by the major powers, and the United States always covers their illegal and immoral actions by exercising their veto. So while it may be a moral victory that the main body of the UN condemns, it will be at least on the record. I think overall, the world needs to be very cautious of this precedent where the United States has openly operated in a foreign country in Iraq and assassinated a foreign leader of another country, Iran, named Qassem Soleimani, using these drone operations. And of course, Iraq asked the United States to leave its country, and the United States remains there. These are dangerous precedents in terms of international law, the sovereignty of nations, and as we've discussed on Press TV numerous times, until other countries unite and engage in reverse sanctioning of the United States and applies economic pressure, nothing is probably going to change, because nothing influences the United States more than economics.